Morning everyone. Class 12, subject accountancy, chapter 7. In the last class, we had discussed the following questions and examples. Today, we will start a question book Peace Graver. Question 9. Ram, Ghanshyam and Vrinda were partners in a firm profit sharing ratio 4, 3 and 1. The firm closed its books on 31st March every year. Okay, three partners. 1st Feb 2017 Ghanshyam died and the firm closed its books on 31st March every year. So it was decided the new profit sharing ratio between Ram and Vrinda will equal due to partnership deed provided for the following: on the death of a partner, his share of goodwill be calculated on the basis of half of the profits credited to his accounts during the previous 4 years. Okay, so 4-year data is given in this question. 12 and 13 120, 13 14 80,000, 14 15 40,000 and 15 16 80,000. Okay, so calculation of profit, total profits of 4 year. So 9 total profits of 4 year. Okay, 2012 13 13 14 14 15 and 15 16. Okay, so data on your screen. 12 13 120, 1,20,000. Next year 80,000. Okay, next year 40,000 and next year 80,000. So 40,000 and 80,000. Okay, yes or no? So 120, 80, 40, 80. Clear? So total profit 3,20,000. Total profit 3,20,000. Okay, total profit 320. So Ghanshyam share in 4-year profit. So Ghanshyam share in 4-year profit equals to Ghanshyam share in 4-year profit equals to 320 into 3 upon 8, 3,20,000, 3,20,000 into 3 upon 8. Okay, so 1,20,000. Ghanshyam share in 4-year profit 320 into 3 upon 8, 1,20,000. Okay, and Ghanshyam share of goodwill and Ghanshyam share of goodwill equals to 120 into 1 upon 2, 60,000. Amount is 60,000. Clear? Share of goodwill and calculate gaining ratio. calculation of gaining ratio between remaining partner. So calculation of gaining ratio equals to new ratio minus old ratio, new ratio minus old ratio. Okay, calculation of gaining ratio, new ratio minus old ratio. Clear? So Ram gaining share is nil, Vrinda gaining share is 3/8. Okay, and average profit of last 2 years, Ghanshyam's share of profit till the date of death. So Ghanshyam's share of profit, so Ghanshyam share of profit up to date of death, up to date of death. Okay, so Ghanshyam's share of profit up to date of death. So average profit of last 2 years, average profit of last 2 years, average profit of last 2 years. Okay, so 40,000 plus 80,000 upon 2. So average profit 60,000. Clear? Yes or no? And 10-month profits 1st April 2016 to 1st Feb 2017. So 60,000 into 10 upon 12. 50-month working period of Ghanshyam, 1st April 16 to 1st April 16 to 1st Feb 2017 to 1st Feb 2017. Okay, so 10-month profit up to the date of death rupees 50,000. So first of all, calculation total profit of last 4 years, right? So 12, 13, 120, 13, 14, 80, 14, 15, 40 and 15, 16, 80. So total profit 320. Ghanshyam share in profit year profits 320 into 3/8, 1,20,000. After that, Ghanshyam share of goodwill 120 into 1/2, 60,000. And next step, calculation of gaining ratio. So calculation of gaining ratio, new ratio minus old ratio. Okay. So Ghanshyam share of profit up to date of death, average profit of last 2 years. This and this 60,000, and Ghanshyam working period. Working period is 10 months. So 10-month profits is rupees 50,000. And last we are passing the entry Vrinda capital account debit to Ghanshyam capital account. So entry first, Vrinda capital account debit to Ghanshyam, capital account. Amount is 60,000 rupees. Amount is 60,000 rupees. Clear? Yes or no? Second entry, proportionate, calculate 50,000. So 50,000 share of profit, 3 upon 8. So 50,000 share of profit, share of profit 50,000 into 3 upon 8, 18750. Ghanshyam share of profit 18750. Clear? 18,750. Next, Vrinda capital account debit to Ghanshyam capital account 18,750. Again, Vrinda capital account debit. Second entry is Vrinda capital account debit. Vrinda capital account debit to Ghanshyam capital account. Amount is 18,750. 18,750. Calculate on your screen. So again, Ghanshyam share of profit up to the date of death, calculate on the basis of average 2-year data. Average 2-year 40, 15, 50, 60. Average profit 60 and working period of Ghanshyam 10 months after death. So 10 month profit share is 50,000 according to PSR, profit sharing ratio. So profit sharing ratio is 18750. Okay. So passing the entry on your screen, bring the capital account debit to Ghanshyam capital account. So write down